get paid to think of names? What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video I want to talk about getting paid to think of names. But before we get into that, if you are serious about starting your own online business and making passive income, be sure to check out Builderall and Genesity, both links in the description of this video. Now, I just came across a couple of sites, guys, that usually I'm not surprised, but I was like, wow, really? You can get paid for this? Two sites that will actually pay you to think of names. The first site is called Squad Help, and the other one is called Naming Force. All right, both of these sites are free to join. You can sign up. And what it does, they have different contests, right, where different entrepreneurs and businesses, they are looking for names for their projects, their companies, their domain names, any of that stuff. They're looking for names. So instead of them paying, millions of dollars or hundreds of thousands of dollars to companies, they take it to the people like us. They want to pick our brains, right? And the cool thing is, if they choose your name, they choose whatever name that you actually submitted, you can get anywhere between $100 to $500. That's right, just for you thinking of a name, and they accept it. You can get some nice little money. So think about, even if you pick, 2 names a week, and these companies selected your name, you can make anywhere from $200 to $1,000 a week. This to me is just something fun to try, because there's really nothing to lose if you feel like you're creative. This is something that even if you got kids, you could kind of sign up and ask your kids, hey guys, I need y'all to sit down when you get done with your homework. I got an idea. Check this out. I need y'all to think of some names, that will go with this idea. Like, you literally could do it. I think it's real fun. It's easy. And just submit names. Some of the sites you can submit as many names as you want. You know what I mean? So you can just, if you're at your job, if you're, in school, any of that stuff, why not? All right. So I'll put a link to Naming Force and Squad Help in the description of this video. So be sure to check that out. And remember, if you're trying to start your own thing, check out Builderall and Genesity, guys. If you haven't done it yet, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell, because I'm dropping knowledge damn near every day. Till the next time. Peace.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.